Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert audio to text. So let's get started. So guys, to convert audio to text, I'm going to tell you the free apps that comes with your Windows. So to convert audio to text, simply type Notepad in search bar. This is our Notepad. So now to convert audio to text, simply press the Windows plus H key. So you can see dictation tool open at the top of the page. So to start, simply click on microphone, and here you can see everything is written here that I am talking. So this is the easy way to convert your audio to text by using this software. This is the free software comes with your Windows. So you can see everything written here that I am talking. So try this for one more time. So simply press Windows key plus H key. So here you can see everything is written here that I am talking. So to stop this recording, again click on microphone option. So you can also convert audio to text by following this process and using this free app comes with your Windows. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.